A few months ago, I was sitting, reading a book, minding my own business, when suddenly I heard my phone ring. I picked it up, and it was one of my friends from America, Eric. He had the craziest idea, and right away, I loved it. So I packed my bags, all my cameras, everything, and I was out the door in less than 30 minutes. We were off to Penang.
I'm facing back to front, over my shoulder at the sun, and it's an open door, and off my line of sight once more. I don't learn, it'll all be fine this time. I don't learn.
We're going up Churakut, I'm not sure how to say it. Churakut Beach, that's the one. Eric got it all up in there.
Cause you always seem so kind. I don't learn, it'll all be fine this time. I don't learn.
I'm thinking of jumping. Are you thinking of jumping?
He wants to jump.
I want to jump, yo. I want to jump.
Put the man in the water. Triple jump.
This is a video! That was not as hype as I thought it would be.
You have